What's good, everyone? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, or if this is your first time you're coming through this channel, my name is Jessica and I appreciate you. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back once again. Alright guys, so due to the fact that some people have been asking me some questions like why my coins are reducing, I don't know what I'm doing that my coin is reducing, I decided to make a video for concerning this today. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, yes, I'm talking about coins in POPPO live stream app. If you've not heard of that app before, that is a new app that has been launched right now, and I think you can, if you want to download it right now, it's going to be phone. You will see, yeah, it's no longer going to be POPPO. So if you check on your what they call it, this time you want to download it, it will be phone. So I'll be dropping my link in the description. All you just need to do is to go and tap it and watch other videos that will put you through the app. Yeah, so that aside, wake up one day, you might just do some things on the POPPO live stream app. Maybe you're doing your tax, maybe you're doing this. If you're new, perhaps you're new, yeah, you might not know why your coin is reducing. You just be like, I had 1000 coins before, but right now I'm seeing 700 coins, or I'm not seeing any coins there. There is something you are doing. So I'm going to be showing you the 3 things you're doing unconsciously or consciously that is making your coins to reduce on the POPPO live stream. So if you guys want to know about this, please stay tuned to the end of this video. And if you've gotten something tangible, or if you get something tangible at the end of this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting different videos concerning money making and also the POPPO live stream app. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you guys do unconsciously that makes your coins to reduce on the POPPO live stream app is playing games. Yeah, you might be like, playing games, why would playing games make my coins reduce? If you do not know how to play the games on the POPPO live stream app, I tell everybody this: if you know, you don't know. That's why I didn't even make videos on it on the YouTube app. I didn't make videos on how to play the game because I don't even waste my time in playing it, you understand? So if you're not familiar with the game, if you have no knowledge of how to play a particular game on the POPPO live stream app, some of which are the number game, the lucky wheel, that lucky wheel drains your coins. Like, if you're not good at it, if you're not good at the games, just do not play the game. That is the advice I give everybody. If you want to learn how to play that game, you can just comment in the comment section. I'll make a video concerning it. But guys, if you know you don't have the time, you have other ways to earn money on the app. You have your live stream tax, you have your tax there, so do not waste your coins. So people might, like, I was on a live stream one day and the girl was just playing game. I was like, do you know how to play this game you're playing? She was like, she doesn't know. And she had 50,000 coins. Guys, the 50,000 coins became 5,000, and at the end of the day she lost the 5,000. Someone just purchased coins. So I was like, do not play the game. You don't know, you don't have any knowledge about it, you are not aware, you don't know how to play the game, so don't just play it. Use your coins to gamble. If you don't even know how to gamble, like, sometimes gambling might reduce your coin. Yeah, gambling can also reduce your coin in the sense that if you have bad network, do not gamble. It's not even compulsory to gamble, that's just the thing. People just want to gamble, you know, to be lucky, to be able to win. Just, you see people winning 1 million coins, people winning 300,000 coins, so you want to be one of them. I don't blame you. You can, if you know you can risk it, you can actually play the game. You can gamble on people. But if your network is bad, please, oh god, do not gamble on anyone, because your coin just going people will just be sucking your coin like as if it's drinking juice. So those, do not gamble. So that's it, guys. So if you're not, the first one is that if you don't know how to play a particular game, do not use your coins to play that game. Because definitely when you play a game, it's not for free, you bet to play that game. So if you now go and bet, if you perhaps have 50,000 coins, now go and bet 50,000 coins. That is how people will take it. The game will take it. That if you don't know how to play the game. So guys, another thing that you do unconsciously, even if you are conscious about it, that makes your coins to drain on POPPO, or that reduces your coin, is by sending a direct message to your friends on POPPO live stream. Just the way you send your message on WhatsApp, the way you send inbox to people on Facebook and your WhatsApp, that is the way you do it on POPPO live stream. You send a message to your friend, POPPO deducts some amount of coins, like you can see in your screen right now. They can deduct 10. Sometimes you might even win some particular points. Yeah, so that is another way that your coins reduce, because some people, you don't know that this is what you do. You might just want to be chatting with your friend on POPPO and all that, but you don't know that POPPO deducts coins for the amount of message or that you send to your friend on POPPO live stream. So that, guys, the advice I'm going to give to you to, if you don't want people to be deducting your coins, you will see in the profile of the person, you will see this fans club, whatever. Join the person's fans club for 100 coins in a month. Yeah, if you join the person's fans club 100 coins in a month, you'll be able to send a person message on the person's group as you like without people deducting your coins for any reason at all. So that's just a solution. If you know you don't want to be sending message to your friends and your coin just be going unnecessary, because you might like to even chat to your friend instead of doing what they call it, video call, or video call rather. So you can just join the person's fans club, so you can easily get access to the person without people charging you for any issue. So that's aside, that's it. I think I've basically said all the things that make your coin drain on Popo live stream unconsciously. So guys, there's one thing I want to what they call it, say in the video I made earlier on agents, how to be an agent. I said that you get earnings, you get money from inviting agents and those that you refer to your agency. Guys, that was just a big mistake. Like, I waited till a month after all and I saw that I was not being paid anything on that agency account, that agent account. What I saw was the, what do you call it, was the earnings that my people under my agency and those I invited has earned in that month. Not that they were going to pay me the money that was there. So my commission has actually been paid automatically. So guys, if you want to be an agent on the app, make sure you have crowd of people, make sure you have traffic, make sure you have a lot of people that are willing to do their tax, they are willing to gamble, buy coins and all that. That is the only way you can earn as an agent. So do not believe that there is money like that in agent, except you have a lot of people under your agency that are taxing daily unstoppable. You understand? That's the only way you can earn. So I want to correct that, so you guys will not go and thinking that there is big money in agency, in being an agent. So that's it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. After you subscribe, do not forget to turn on the notification button, so whenever I post any videos concerning that is money related or concerning Popo live stream, you guys will be the first to be notified. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video.